You want some? Do you want socks? But here's your Nana. Do you want socks? Alright, stay right here at Papa. You do? Alright, stay right here at Papa.
Coming right back. Hey, can you try your pop-up major hi-hat count for you so you can, let's see if you can chick it. Can you make it go chick, 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 chick? Oh my, you can't play drums without your socks on? Oh, that happens. Sometimes you drop your sticks. Yeah, man, you're doing pretty good, Aryn. I think, did Pop-Pop make a good sized drum set for you? And you might not remember Frankie, but Frankie helped Pop-Pop out with your drums. He let me get them from him for you. Frankie Lovell. You might remember him, but he told me he had a nice set of drums that was for a younger drummer, and that was you. Ooh, that's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot of kick. See, if you pull your seat forward more, you'll be able to touch the pedals more. Pop-Pop, let me Pop-Pop come over and help.
I got it.
Oh, you got it? You don't need my help?
Yeah.
Nana's got socks for you.
You want
Okay.
socks?